Hey guys, here's another update video on these small accounts. Sorry I missed the last update video. I just had some personal stuff come up that I needed to deal with, and it was also Christmas, so there was that. But even though I missed the upload for the weekly recap, I still uploaded all of the YouTube shorts. So any changes I make, anything I add, any positions I close, I'll record it and then post it pretty much immediately onto YouTube shorts. So that it's close to as real time as possible if anyone wants to keep up. And I put all of those YouTube shorts into a playlist that you can find on my channel, so that just so that it's very organized and easy to find. And I highly encourage you to watch those YouTube shorts and then watch these recaps. It'll just help follow along with the video so that you're not lost with anything. Okay, so let's start with the first change we made since the last update video. So that would be the QQQ spread. I opened the QQQ put credit spread. I forget exactly which day. Actually, I can just go back. This one was a triple Q, and I opened. Oh, okay. Here it is. So because it was very close to the 100-day moving average, I opened a put credit spread a little bit below the 100-day moving average, and I felt very safe doing this. And just as I predicted, within a few days, triple Q was well above the 100-day moving average. So I sold this put credit spread because you're a net seller when you open the position. I sold it for $33, and then I bought it back for $5 on December 22nd, so within 2 days. And this was a 87% profit. So it wasn't much in terms of dollars, but it was about 10% of our account that we gained. So that is pretty good for a small account, and it was pretty much free money. And then I think on the same day I opened that one, I tried to open another one, but it didn't end up getting filled. So I just had one contract, which is fine. So I got about $30 added to my account. Next, I opened the SPY call credit spread, and this one was very recent. I opened this December 28th, so 2 days ago, and I opened this for $54. So it's a $1 wide spread, 478 and 477. My max profit is $54, and my max loss would be $46. So it's a pretty good ratio. And I opened this call credit spread on the SPY because historically there's a sell-off a few days before the New Year's, or sometimes a day or two after the New Year's. So that's why I opened it, just because of the end of the year sell-off. And you can also search up end of year sell-off too. It's usually for tax harvesting. So people who made a lot of gains, they'll sell off their losses that they were holding for the tax deductibles. So towards the end of today, which is December 30th, the market was pretty green up until the end. So as you can see, this is the SPY for today. It was up at about 478 pretty consistently. And then towards the end of the market hours, it dropped off. And I'm hoping that it goes down even further tomorrow, which is the last trading day of the year. And I listed a few other reasons on my YouTube short description that I can't remember right now. If you're interested, you can go look at those. I can't remember what the other reasons were. And the last new position I had open was on Apple. This may be kind of a shocker to you guys too, because I wasn't planning on doing any day trades, but the past few weeks I've been watching so many videos on day trading and learning so much about how to day trade for the past few weeks that I just really wanted to try one. And today, while I was just looking through some of the charts while I was bored, Apple just looked like a really good opportunity. And when I looked at the option contracts, there was one expiring tomorrow, December 31st, and it was super cheap. So the one I bought at that time, this one, $182.5 call, and I bought it for $33. So we'll go down. Here we go. So I bought this call for $33 that expires tomorrow, but these contracts are so cheap because it expires tomorrow, so there's not a lot of extrinsic value left, and this was out of the money. So I bought it for $33 at 10:13, and I sold it for $43 at 10:17. So I made this day trade within 4 minutes. I bought it for $33 and sold it for $43. So it was a $10 gain. And I know it seems small in dollar amounts, but in terms of percentages, that was a little over 30%, which is great. It's just that, if I wanted to, I could have bought more contracts. I could have held several and then, sold it at a bigger profit in terms of dollar amounts. But I took this just because I really wanted to try it, and it was very low risk because it was $33. So the max you could lose was $33. And I was going to do a strict stop loss. If I lost more than like 15 to 20%, then I was just going to cut the loss and then even though it's not that much, I was just going to cut it and then sell it for the loss and try to preserve the small account. And I'm just a little afraid to do day trades right now, even though I really want to, because this is a very small account and one terrible mistake can pretty much destroy the entire thing. And that would be the end of the series. And that's why I try to stick to put credit spreads or call credit spreads, just because you have the option to roll them and adjust them to, your needs. Okay, next, the Tesla put credit spread. Now, if you haven't seen my video talking about the Tesla put credit spread, because we rolled this actually. So it used to be, I think, the 940 put credit spread, but now it's a 1040 because we had to roll it out and roll it up in strike price. So go ahead and check that video out if you're having trouble following what I'm saying. But this profit and loss that is showing 36% is not real, as in that we're still at a net loss here. So if I was to close this right now, I'd be closing this at a loss, even though it says plus 36%. And that's because we received a max credit of $185, if you guys remember from my last video. So we need to buy this back for less than $185. Otherwise, we'd be paying more than we received. So this contract needs to degrade in value all the way down to $185 for me to break even, and lower if I want to close for a profit. So depending on the price action, I might just take the price action at that time. I might just close it for a small profit or at break even. But if it's looking really good and safe, then I'll just hold on to it and wait for close to max profit and then just close it off there. So the max profit is $185, but I'm not going to hold it till the end. I'm just going to close it before the expiration date, which is what you should do. But other than that, I'm just waiting for this. I think I might just close the Snapchat call credit spread for a loss. I don't really like this one. And the SPY call credit spread is something I already went over. I expect the SPY to be red tomorrow. I expect a sell-off to happen soon. I don't think today was it. I think we're still gonna see another day, at least one more day. So that's what I'm waiting for. And I'll close this for a small profit if I have to. But other than that, I think that's it. And the account is still sitting at about the same price at our peak, which was $470 to $450, I think. So we're still sitting in that range. And if I have any other updates, I'll be sure to upload it on YouTube Shorts into the playlist. And I think that's it. If I happen to make any changes tomorrow, I'll be sure to update the YouTube Shorts or upload it to YouTube Shorts and then put it into the playlist so that it's easy to find. But that's all I got for you guys today. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like and leave any comments below about any advice you guys have or any suggestions on how to keep everyone updated on this account and how I should move forward. And if you guys just have anything to comment about the account, any suggestions on any plays, any other strategies, and I'll see everyone on the next one.